Do what you love. Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. One best book is equal to 100 good friends, but one good friend is equal to a library. I'm not a handsome guy, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help. Beauty is in the heart, not in the face. Knowledge with action converts adversity into prosperity. Man needs difficulties because to enjoy the success that they need too. Life and time are the world's best teachers. Life teaches us to make good use of time, and time teaches us the value of life. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you successful person. It is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. You were born with wings. Don't crawl. Learn to use them to fly and fly. The best brains of a nation may be found at the last benches of the classroom. The dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in the second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. Don't read success stories. You will get the only message. Read failure stories. You will get some ideas to get success. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. If 4 things are followed, having great aim, acquiring knowledge, hard work and perseverance, then anything can be achieved. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. If you fail, never give up, because FAIL, fail means first attempt in learning. Love your job, but don't love your company, because you may not know when your company stops loving you. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and the future of an individual. If the people remember me as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor for me.